The steel trap, weighing over 200 tons, is slowly maneuvered into position by the automated crane. Lowered from the research vessel, the massive steel trap must navigate the turbulent surface waters.
Here in the dark depths, the introduction of the steel trap quickly draws a formidable crowd of king crabs.
The king crab's powerful legs grip the steel trap, its spikes digging deep into the mesh. Under immense tension, the steel trap is finally wrenched from the seabed, unleashing decades of sediment in a massive cloud.
A massive haul from the deep. These red king crabs are immediately sent down the sorting line, a chaotic bottleneck of claws and shells.
Here we see the automated sorting process. These magnificent crustaceans are graded by size before being prepared for market.
These intricate red laser grids meticulously scan the carapace, ensuring only the highest quality specimens move down the line.
This small king crab, perhaps too young for the harvest, is swiftly returned to the icy waters of the Bering Sea.
The vibrating guides ensure perfect alignment, maximizing efficiency before the freezing process.
The rotating cylindrical brushes scrub the king crab legs as they pass through the cleaning station. This ensures they are pristine for transport.
Freshly cooked, these vibrant red king crab clusters are now moving down the line for rapid freezing.
The freshly steamed king crab legs are rapidly cooled by these powerful industrial fans, locking in the flavor and texture before packaging.
Using advanced vision systems, the robotic arm identifies and sorts the crab clusters by weight, ensuring consistent product quality.
The massive king crab legs travel along the sanitized conveyor belt, destined for the high-precision circular saws that will prepare them for market.
The crab is placed into the industrial vacuum sealer to ensure maximum freshness and flavor retention.
Using high-speed pneumatic precision, the export labels are applied, ensuring swift delivery of the king crab. The new automated system allows the king crab packs to be boxed with unparalleled speed and precision. The AGV smoothly delivers the king crab. As the heavy insulated doors open, a rush of cold. This facility stores millions of pounds of the finest king crab, kept at a constant minus 25 degrees Celsius. From the precision of the packaging line, we move to the raw power of the waste processor, essential for handling the facility's refuse. The waste processor utilizes immense torque to break down the exoskeletons, reducing them to fine powder. The crushed shell mash enters the screw press, where the rotating auger begins the separation process, squeezing the liquid from the solids.
crab shells are finely ground into this reddish-orange powder, which is then carefully channeled into large industrial bags for collection.
As you can see, the system effectively transforms heavily contaminated water into a crystal clear output, ready for consumption.
This state-of-the-art processing vessel represents new era operations.
The maintenance bot utilizes a precise blue laser to identify microfractures, critical for preventing costly downtime in the sorting process.
Here we see a truly massive red king, moving effortlessly through the automated sorting process. The AI vision system analyzes the conveyor belt, quickly identifying the sea crab by color and ensuring efficient sorting.
Here in the steam tunnels, the sea crab proves significantly faster. The heavier king crab simply cannot match its pace.
Here we see the sea crab meat being pressed into uniform circular patties by the automated molding machine.
To maintain peak freshness, the crab cakes are immediately moved into the blast freezer for rapid cooling.
The sonar is picking up something remarkable deep within the canyon. It appears we have located the elusive school of king crabs.
The auto steer is engaged. The navigation system is now locked on the king crab coordinates, adjusting the rudder automatically for the new course.
Okay, send the next batch down. Watch the claws on that one, keep the line moving.
In this state-of-the-art facility, AGV robots ensure the efficient movement of the king crab pallets, 24 hours a day.
The king crab market has never been this volatile. We are seeing record prices, particularly for the Alaskan gold variety.
Bathed in the golden hour, the arm's movements are almost hypnotic, showcasing the future of automated assembly.
The solar array provides the necessary power, allowing the sorting conveyor to process tons of material even as the sun dips below the horizon. Spinning relentlessly, the vertical turbines provide the crucial energy needed to power the massive waste processor facility. Cutting through the Arctic swell, the state-of-the-art vessel relies on sophisticated automation to monitor the king crab catch.
The majestic whale shark, the largest fish in the sea, glides effortlessly over the rusting hulk of the steel trap.
Sourcing the finest king crab begins in these icy waters. Through expert preparation,
the waste processor utilizes a high-temperature catalytic process to break down the shells, transforming environmental waste
Lower the trap now. Watch the alignment. Clear the deck. Move the crane to bay 4.
The ultimate destination for these king crab is still days away, a journey across the unforgiving Bering Sea.